What if I told you that the future of humanity, your life, your food, your energy, even the planet itself, depends on a handful of natural resources? Water, forests, minerals, soil, energy. These aren't just things we use every day. They're the very foundation of our survival and the engine of every economy on Earth. Some of these resources are running low, others are under threat, and how we manage them today could decide what life looks like tomorrow. Smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our deep dives into the wonders of our planet. In this video, we're uncovering the natural resources that could shape humanity's future and why understanding them is more important than ever. So, what exactly are natural resources? They're materials or substances that occur naturally in the environment and are used by humans for survival, industry, and technology. We can divide them into two main types: renewable resources, things that can naturally replenish, like forests, fresh water, wind, solar energy, and fish. Non-renewable resources, things that are finite and take millions of years to form, like coal, oil, natural gas, and minerals. Their availability depends on geology, climate, and geography, which explains why some countries are rich in one type while others struggle. Let's start with water, the most essential resource. Fresh water is only about 2.5% of the world's water, and most of it is trapped in glaciers, ice caps, or underground aquifers. Major rivers like the Nile, Amazon, Yangtze, and Mississippi supply billions of people with drinking water, irrigation, and electricity. But it's not evenly distributed. Canada has over 80,000 cubic meters of fresh water per person, while Egypt has less than 500 cubic meters of fresh water per person. Nearly 2 billion people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water, showing why conservation and management are critical. Next up are forests, covering about 31% of the Earth's land area. They provide timber, fuel, medicinal plants, and habitats for countless species. Forests also act as carbon sinks, absorbing around 2.4 billion tons of CO2 annually, helping fight climate change. But tropical forests are disappearing at 10 million hectares per year due to logging and agriculture. Sustainable forestry is crucial to balance human needs with nature. Minerals and fossil fuels are the backbone of modern industry. Iron ore, crucial for steel, top producers Australia, Brazil, China. Copper powers electronics, top producers Chile, Peru, China. Gold, industrial and cultural value, top producers South Africa, China, Australia, Russia. Coal is still a major energy source, especially in China, India, USA, and Australia. Fossil fuels like oil, coal, and natural gas formed over millions of years and still fuel our economies. Transitioning to renewable energy is essential to reduce carbon emissions. Soil supports agriculture, feeding over 7.9 billion people. Fertile soils are concentrated in river valleys and plains, but around 33% of the world's soil is degraded due to erosion, desertification, and overuse. Sustainable farming practices are critical to maintain productivity and food security. Renewable energy is shaping the future. Solar energy, abundant in deserts and tropical regions. Wind energy, strongest in coastal regions and plains. Hydropower, rivers with high flow and elevation. Global renewable capacity has exceeded 3,000 gigawatts, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and combating climate change. Oceans provide protein for billions and livelihoods for over 60 million people. Major fishing zones include the Northwest Pacific, Southeast Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. But 34% of global fish stocks are overexploited, making sustainable fishing practices more important than ever. From water to forests, minerals to renewable energy, natural resources are the backbone of human life and development. Managing them sustainably isn't optional, it's essential. Balancing growth with conservation will ensure a secure and prosperous future for generations to come. We'd like to hear from you. Comment below and tell us which resource you think is most important for the future, and why.